Okay, you cool babies. I'm going to review the facts about the stuff that makes up atoms. First off, let's talk about protons. The number of protons in an atom determines what element that atom is. Adding or removing protons from an atom would change the element. The number of protons is also the atomic number for an element. Protons have a positive charge. Think P protons and P positive. They have a mass of 1 atomic mass unit, AMU, and are found in the nucleus. Neutrons are also in the nucleus and have a neutral charge. Neutrons and neutral both start with the neutr, which hopefully helps you remember. Neutrons also have a mass of 1 atomic mass unit. In the space outside the nucleus, you'll find electrons in what we have so cleverly named the electron cloud. Electrons have a negative charge and effectively no mass. Let's focus in on those electrons and talk about the electron energy levels. We already know that electrons are in the electron cloud. There, they organize themselves into concentric rings around the nucleus. Now, electrons do not like being close together, so they try to spread themselves apart while being as close as possible to the nucleus. You can imagine the nucleus is like a concert stage, and the electrons are the audience who went to see the show. The electrons will try to fill the front row, which is the smallest, first. Once that row is filled, they have to sit in other, larger rows. The first electron energy level is small. There are only 2 possible openings on the first energy level for electrons to fill. Let's use the hydrogen atom as an example. Instead of drawing all of the protons and neutrons, I'm just going to draw the element symbol to represent its nucleus. We are going to make this a neutral atom. Since hydrogen has 1 proton, we'll give it 1 electron. Here, you see in the first orbital, 1 opening is filled by our 1 electron, and the other one is empty. Now, if we look at lithium, which has 3 protons, we have to give it 3 electrons to make it neutral. The 2 electrons fill the first orbital, meaning we need to start a new orbital for electron number 3. The second orbital can hold up to 8 electrons. As a general rule, any orbital after the first can hold up to 8 electrons. In this lithium atom, the second orbital has 1 spot filled and 7 open. Take a look at this oxygen atom. Oxygen's atomic number is 8. That means it has 8 protons. A neutral oxygen atom will have 8 electrons as well. The first energy level fills up with 2 electrons, then the second energy level gains 6. There are 2 empty openings in the second energy level.